Here's my food all ready for me to eat. So I'm finna sit down and enjoy this while I can. What is it, Binks? Huh? Okay. So I'm finna sit down, you guys, and I'm finna enjoy this and watch some programs on television. And I will be back with another video. I might come back today. I might not. You might see me tomorrow. So whatever happens, you all have a happy Easter and have a blessed Easter. And I hope you with the ones that you love, whether that be family or just friends. So enjoy this day, you guys, and live in a moment. And I will be back with another video. And I thank you guys for watching. And I thank you for supporting my channel. And bye-bye for now. Peace.